Introduce highlight features or overview summary for AZZUNO Cordless Pressure Washer. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Cordless High Pressure Washer. The AZZUNO Cordless Power Washer uses a premium copper motor to keep the pressure washer solid and durable. It is equipped with a 4 amp-hour high-performance battery that provides about 45 to 60 minutes of cleaning time on a full charge. The efficient battery-powered pressure washer offers a powerful max 850 psi spraying up to 220 liters per hour and a flow rate of 0.8 GPM. Each motor undergoes thousands of hours of operation. Testing. Cordless and portable water supply. AZZUNO Portable Power Washer can easily draw water from buckets, pools, rivers, drinking bottle, or any source, saving your work time. The filter can effectively filter impurities such as particles, waste, leaves or sludge. Don't need to worry pipe blockage anymore. The 6-in-1 nozzle for 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, straight, shower mode. Multi-scenario application. Perfect for a wide range of cleaning tasks at home, garden, car wash, waters plants, and cleans walls, floors, baths, pools, doors, driveways, fences, and hard-to-reach corners. If you seek a powerful and versatile portable power washer that offers both convenience and performance, AZZUNO Cordless High Pressure Washer is an excellent choice. These settings allow for a wide spray to cover large surfaces or a pinpoint stream to tackle stubborn stains. Easy use and portable design. Our cordless high-pressure washer is lightweight and easy to carry around. High-quality storage box takes up minimal space. The pressure washer is equipped with a foam pot for quick foaming, which is easy to clean cars and clean stains such as windows and doors. Perfect pressure washer for outdoor camping and long trips. With detailed instruction and quick connect ports. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.